Hi everybody, here are the instructions for this week's assignments. As you may have already noticed, the graphic organizer from last week in Homeschool Week 10, I moved up to Homeschool Week 11 this week and renamed it Monday 6/1 and Tuesday 6/2. So if you're looking for that graphic organizer, it's in this week's assignments. What you need to do this week is finish the graphic organizer by completing research on 2 new sites a day. So if we go into the assignment, we see 3 things on here. We see the instructional video on how to do this assignment from last week. We have your actual graphic organizer, yours will be up in the top right corner, and the step-by-step directions on how to do it from last week as well. So between Monday and Tuesday, you need to finish the rest of your research. Remember, if you're looking through the research guide and you can't really find anything that's helping you, feel free to use the rest of the internet as long as you're using legitimate sources. Once you have finished this and we get to Wednesday, you're going to spend the rest of the week doing your actual map. So remember, there are 2 options. You can either do the Google My Maps or the drawing. You picked it last week. If you're doing Google My Maps, you're going to go into this assignment. There are 2 videos here. The first video is about how to make your Google My Maps. We can't attach them as teachers to the assignment, so you have to go into your drive and make your own. So watch this video here to see how to do that. And then we have the video that was attached to one of the original forms last week about how to take your information from your research guide and put it onto your Google My Maps. So please watch that video to figure out how to put your map together. For those of you who decided to do the drawing, in this assignment, we have a video from Ms. Taduka as to how to do that. And then, if you want to use them, we have outline maps of Mexico and Peru that you can print out or download, do whatever you need to do with them. But please make sure that you watch the video again, follow the directions closely. You're going to have a little more time at the beginning of next week on Monday to finish up anything you need to in terms of this map, because we don't meet with classes on Monday. But the majority of your work should be done this week between Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday if you need to use it to catch up. So in general, make sure that you finish your graphic organizer and that you finish your map this week. Please email if you have any questions. This is really the last thing that we're going to do, so put your full effort into it, and again, reach out if you have any questions.